Description: compatible with all automobiles and devices equipped with a 10 to 30 volt DC power source. Features: LED power, 120 W. Operating voltage, 10-30 VDC. Waterproof rate, IP67. 40 PCS * 3 watt high intensity Epsitar LEDs. Color temperature, 6000 K. Material, Diecast aluminum housing. Lens material, tough glass. Mounting bracket, Oliferm bracket. Opitonal beam, 60/30 degree combo beam. 30,000 hours above lifetime. Dimensions pound superscript 024 inch. Weight, 5.7 kilograms per unit included the box. Size, 609.2 x 78.4 x 86.5 mm. Quality warranty, 2 year.